Do you consume less than 2 eggs every day? The benefits of eating 2 eggs a day will surprise you. In my video, I talked about the effects of consuming 2 eggs a day on the body. Get ready for change. Incorporating 2 eggs into your daily routine can have several positive effects on your health. Here are some potential impacts of this habit. High-quality protein source. Eggs are rich in protein, contributing to muscle development. For instance, having an omelette for breakfast or boiling eggs for dinner can help meet your body's protein needs. Healthy fats and vitamins. Egg yolks are packed with healthy fats and vitamins essential for the body. Opting for eggs rich in omega-3 fatty acids, for example, can support heart health. Increases diet diversity. Eating 2 eggs a day adds diversity to your diet, ensuring you get nutrients from different food groups. For example, having an omelette one day and boiled eggs the next offers varied meal options. Supports muscle growth. Eggs are loaded with essential amino acids that promote muscle development. Consuming an egg as a protein source before or after exercise can speed up the muscle recovery process. Boosts energy levels. Eggs contain complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy. Eating an omelette or an egg sandwich can help maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Promotes hair and skin health. Eggs are rich in biotin and other vitamins crucial for hair and skin health. Applying an egg mask once a week can support the health of your hair and skin. Enhances feeling of fullness. Thanks to their high protein content, eating 2 eggs a day can increase the feeling of fullness. Adding a few slices of boiled egg to a salad or sandwich at lunchtime can reduce your afternoon snacking. Aids in weight management. Eggs can aid in weight management by increasing satiety and offering a low-calorie option. Choosing an egg over snacks can help balance your daily calorie intake. Therefore, incorporating 2 eggs into your daily diet can be a simple and effective step toward a healthy lifestyle. However, since everyone's nutritional needs are different, it's important to consult with your doctor or a nutritionist before adding this habit to your diet. Why you should consume boiled eggs. Boiled eggs offer numerous health benefits compared to other cooking methods. Here are some reasons why you should incorporate boiled eggs into your diet. Easy preparation. Boiled eggs are simple to prepare. All you need to do is place the eggs in boiling water and cook them to your desired level of doneness. This makes them a convenient option for quick meals or snacks. Lower fat content. Boiled eggs contain less fat compared to eggs cooked with added oils or fats. Since no additional fats are used during boiling, boiled eggs provide a lower calorie option. Minimal cholesterol impact. Boiled eggs are suitable for individuals with cholesterol sensitivities. The absence of added fats during cooking results in lower cholesterol content compared to fried or scrambled eggs. Extended freshness. Boiled eggs maintain their freshness for a longer period when stored in the refrigerator compared to other cooking methods. This makes them ideal for meal prepping or as grab-and-go snacks. Comparison with other cooking methods. Fried eggs. Fried eggs typically require the use of oils or fats for cooking, which increases their calorie and fat content. Additionally, the high temperatures used during frying can lead to nutrient loss. Omelettes. While omelettes are a popular egg dish, they often contain added ingredients such as cheese, meats, or vegetables, which can increase their calorie and fat content. However, when prepared with nutritious ingredients, omelettes can be a healthy option. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are commonly prepared with added fats or dairy products like milk or cream, resulting in higher calorie and fat content compared to boiled eggs. Nevertheless, they remain a versatile and tasty choice. Healthier egg choices. Organic eggs. Organic eggs are sourced from chickens raised without the use of hormones or antibiotics. They are often considered more nutritious due to their cleaner farming practices. Free-range eggs. Free-range eggs come from chickens allowed to roam freely outdoors. These eggs may have higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids compared to conventional eggs, potentially offering additional health benefits. Omega-3 enriched eggs. Omega-3 enriched eggs are produced by feeding chickens with omega-3 rich diets. These eggs contain higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. In conclusion, boiled eggs offer a convenient and nutritious option for incorporating eggs into your diet. However, the choice between boiled eggs and other cooking methods depends on personal preferences and nutritional needs. Opting for healthier egg choices such as organic, free-range, or omega-3 enriched eggs can further enhance the nutritional value of your diet. Always consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized dietary recommendations.